Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Chep. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make chicken gizzard Mushikaki. So guys, the ingredients and the recipes in the description box. Guys, make sure you like, share, comment. Guys, we are in road to 300 subscribers. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe so that every time I post a new video you'll get notified. So let's get to the video and see how it goes.